Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm going to be preparing some red beans and rice. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. Some Holska kielbasa sausage. My beans has been soaked very well. And this is my other ingredients that I'm going to be using. Everything that I'm going to be using for my red beans and rice. And so I have cleaned some turkey parts and I'm going to get ready to put those on. So I'll be back at you. So I have some chicken wings and some chicken strips that I have seasoned real well with all this seasoning. And I had to add the buttermilk to it. Excuse me. So I'm going to get ready to mix this and I'll be back at you. Okay, I'm back and my turkey I have stripped from the bone and added back to the pot. So I add my beans, my sausage, my onions, and I'm getting ready to add my seasoning. So this is my onion powder, my garlic powder, my Cajun seasoning, all is a tablespoon, black pepper, like half a teaspoon, and my bay leaves. And I'm gonna let this continue to go for itself. So I have prepared some muffins, cornbread muffins, to go with my red beans and rice. So I'll be back at you. Just pulled them out the oven. So I'm adding my slurry to it to thicken it. Everything is ready. And I'm just thickening the sauce. If that's what you want to call it. Now I'll be back at you. So my red beans are ready. Don't they look delicious? Be back at you. Okay, my chicken is ready. So I'm gonna get ready to fix a plate. And this is my red beans and rice. Don't they look delicious? And I'm gonna say bon appetit to you all and be blessed.